Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Solwif token aka the Solwife token. Now this is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain. This looks like a lady that's supposed to be Pepe's wife, Lady Frog here. So a lot of these meme tokens on Sol are very popular these days. And this one, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing starting soon. And we're going to go over the information on the Solwife, aka Solwif token here in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, I was just looking at this token on DEX Tools. I just put in the contract address into DEX Tools, and it doesn't look like it's listed on DEX Tools yet. Let me try. They have a DEX Screener as well, and there's also Birdeye for Solana tokens, so you could check out charts on all of those. So we could try here to put it into DEX Screener, see if a pool pops up. But basically, it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing. Starting very soon on a big central exchange called Bitmart. So on Bitmart's Twitter, it says, upcoming new listing, Bitmart will list Solwif soon. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. So it says name of the token is Solwif, ticker symbol is Solwif, but it's kind of confusing because when you go to their webpage, they call it Solwife. But anyways, if you were looking to get this token, all you'd have to do is download Bitmart from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Solwif when it gets listed, and then simply just buy the token. Now, according to their SolScan, the name of the token and ticker symbol are both Solwif. So I thought maybe Bitmart got it wrong, but it's actually Solwif for the name and the ticker symbol. But on their webpage, they call it Solwife. Very confusing. 2 decimal places on this token. There's a total supply of 1 trillion tokens, according to their SolScan. So I just put the address into, let me see here. I can put it into Birdeye. They have a link to Birdeye, DEX Screener, and CoinGecko on their webpage, but this token is not even listed anywhere yet. So maybe they're going to have a pre-sale. I would assume that this token's maybe going to have a pink sale pre-sale then. So they have a how to buy section on their webpage, and it'll take you right to pink sale. So this is going to be a pink sale pre-sale, just like I thought here. So they're in the midst of their pre-sale right now. They've already sold 256 Sol worth of tokens here. So yeah, a lot of these pink sale pre-sale tokens go over to Bitmart. So if you're looking to get this token now, it is on pink sale. It says here that Solwif is the biggest community meme coin on Solana. ETH has Pepe, AVAX has Landwolf, and Sol now has Solwif. There's 1 day left of this pre-sale, so you still got a whole day to go check out the pink sale pre-sale. They've had 100 contributors invest in it so far. Soft cap was 10 Sol, and they've sold 274.39 Sol worth of tokens. They have a full audit by CoinSalt, It's a public pre-sale. You don't need to be on a whitelist or anything like that. It says CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Fast Track. It also says MEXC Global after the pink sale pre-sale as well. So if you're looking to get this token off MEXC Global after the pre-sale, I do have a referral code in the description box. Check that out. Their previous project says did 30 times. Mint revoked. Freeze authority revoked. Viral marketing. Best influencers and callers. Dex tools, Dex screener, Telegram trending, and more. They have, let's see here. Their pre-sale started April 24th, 12 hours UTC time. And it goes for 2 days, 10 hours. And it finishes April 26th, 22 hours UTC time. So if you missed the pre-sale, first of all, hit subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale's over, this token will go over to Raydium. For purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Phantom wallet or Solflare wallet with Sol, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your Sol for this token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, solwif.com. You probably won't have to worry about slippage because it says 0% taxes, and liquidity will be locked on Raydium for 180 days. Or you can get it off of Bitmart or MEXC Global. And like I said, MEXC Global's in the description box down there if you want a referral code. Now their Telegram is at Solwif_official, and they have 3,569 members on there. 539 of them are online. That's a great place to join the discussion. I'm going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen there at Solwif_official. Blue verified checkmark, 30 tweets. 8,244 Twitter followers, has a link to their webpage and Telegram right there on the Twitter. And in their pinned tweet, they also have a link to their pink sale pre-sale. So basically all the links are there on that Twitter, anywhere you need to go. Now it says Solwife, the biggest community meme coin on Solana. The mascot of Solana, Solwife, is tired of watching the boys Pepe and Landwolf have their fun. Pepe conquered ETH. Landwolf is making waves on AVAC. And so Solwife has decided to claim Solana. She will overtake the rest of her friends. Shows you how to use your Phantom wallet and Raydium. Shows you how to use Pink Sale on their webpage. Basically their token allocation here. It says 50% of the tokens go to fair launch. 25% goes to the liquidity pool. 10% exchange listings, 5% exchange liquidity, 5% team, 5% marketing. And then it has a couple disclaimers at the bottom of the page. There is no affiliation with Matt Fury for this token. And this token also has no intrinsic value or financial expectation of financial return. So read the disclaimers, of course. Check this token out on Pink Sale. It'll be on Bitmart, MEXC Global, and Raydium after the pre-sale is over. Check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.